Hello, my name is Amy Sturkey. I'm here with Everett and his sister Emma, who is a great helper. And we're going to work on rolling on the ball. This ball is a little bit small for what I want. Yeah, it's small. If it was bigger, this would be a lot easier. I'm going to roll him toward Emma on the ball. You ready? Let's go. I'm going to start him on this side of the room. I'm going to put him on the ball. There you go. And I'm going to roll him toward Emma. So to get him to roll, I am taking his hips and I'm moving him over. Now to get him to roll over this side, this arm has to be forward for him to be able to roll over. I hear ya. And if this ball was a little bit bigger, I could have him more this way on the ball and he'd be more supportive. Roll over. There you go. And we're going to go again. You ready? I'm going to make that arm be up so it's easier to roll over. And roll over. Hey, easy. So it's just a way to work on. We're going to come back the other way. Rolling. Oh, I hear. Hey. Roll over. Putting that arm up so we can roll over. Ooh, you're fighting. Good work. Just playing that mid-range where his stomach is really active. Beautiful. Roll over. Whoop. You ready? Nice working. So just a way to work on rolling on a ball. A bigger ball would be a little bit better. Just rolling consecutively on the ball across the room. I hope this is helpful, and we'll look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.
If you liked this video and would like to be notified by email when the next video comes out, click the subscribe button here and click the golden bell icon and ensure notifications are enabled on your account.